Okay, so we're going to be installing a Smittybilt awning. This is the 6 foot by 8 foot awning, and we're going to be utilizing the Gzila awning brackets. Really good material, really awesome stuff. Pretty much with this, with the Smittybilt awning, you get everything you need, all the bolts, all the mounting hardware, which again we're going to be using the Gzila instead. But all the nuts and bolts that you need, even all the wrenches, you got your tie downs. So we're going to be putting this on my 2015 Subaru Crosstrek, and let's see how it goes. All right, so with the Gzila Design clamps, the way that they work, they're actually a clamp style, 1-inch bar. They make all different sizes, all the way from 1 inch to I believe all the way up to 2. You just got to go in, measure your bar. That'll let you know what kind you need. Already got one side done, but pretty much what you're going to do is just loosen one side all the way, take one out on the other side, get it on the bar wherever you want it. Go ahead and screw this in. You're gonna get your Allen key here. Not sure what size this is. This is a number 6 Allen key. Go in there, just tighten it up. Make sure you tighten both sides. Go back and forth one side to the other. You don't want to tighten one side too much. And at this point, you kind of want to just get it just tight enough, not too tight. You don't want to wrench it down yet until you got everything in place. And that's it. Just gonna repeat it for the other side. Okay, now this is gonna be what you're actually gonna attach your awning to. This will actually go right here on the other side. You bring the camera over here so you can check it out. This will actually plug in right here on this side here. You got 2 little screws here. Bring the camera over here further on this side. So you got 2 little screws here. They're just gonna go right in there. Gonna take this bolt here, thread it in there. Get it in there right where you want it. This one you can go ahead and just tighten it all the way down, because then this is what you're going to use to mount your actual awning to. And again, just repeat it on the other side. All right, guys, so now that we got those brackets set up, we're going to go back to working on the awning here. So the awning, plenty of videos out there, I know, because I watched them all myself. Real basic. You got these channels right here on the awning itself. You're going to get your 4 bolts, your nylon washer, your nylon nuts, and your washer. So they come with various sizes, whatever size you need. We're gonna go kind of with like the medium size of what it looks like. So pretty much what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take each bolt, you're gonna run it through, and what you're gonna need 2 for each mount. So you can just take it, set it all the way down wherever you want to position it. Same thing here. I'm gonna throw 4 of them, 2 for each mount. And just like that. And like I said, you can slide them all the way down, wherever you're gonna put them, and put this little cover thing back on here. All right, guys, so I had a little bit of a struggle trying to get it up here. So went ahead and just cut to it, actually mounted. Again, pretty basic after the fact that you slide those bolts in, you just bring it up to your bracket, whatever kind of bracket you use. You're gonna pick, with the Smittybilt, they give you several different size bolts. I went ahead and went with the smallest just because it kept getting in the way. The longer was getting in the way of my bar. So you're just gonna go ahead and just go in there, tighten them down, finger tight of course at first, once you get it in position. If you're running a hatchback, like one thing I kind of made the mistake of, you wanna make sure you're gonna have clearance back here for when your hatch goes up. So you wanna bring it in before you tighten everything down. So one thing you definitely wanna make sure is this isn't hitting here. When I had it originally tightened down, of course, didn't think about it, did more than finger tight. It was actually hitting this, so I had to go and loosen everything up and make adjustments. So other than that, it's up there, man. It's looking good. You know, the whole car shakes with it, so you know it's up there nice and tight. So not too bad, really easy install. Like I said, for me, I went ahead and went with the Gzila mounts just because I think they look nicer. I got my traction mounts also from them. I'm waiting for my awards to come here. But yeah, all in all, good stuff. All right, guys, so this is it. Fully deployed. I was able to do it myself. A little bit of a struggle. Of course, it's always easier with 2 people, but for the most part, not too bad. I like it a lot. Can't wait for this coronavirus thing to go away so that way we can get out there and get camping. All in all, not too bad though. Hope you enjoyed the video.